Chapter 14. Force, Work and Energy. Learning Objectives. To understand. Types of forces. Simple machines. Work. Energy and its sources. To find out. How force makes the object move. How do machines make our life easy? Natural sources of energy. Types of forces. Force means a pull or a push. If someone makes an effort to move an object, it is called force. There are forces acting all around us all the time. Force can be of three types. 1. Gravitational force. 2. Frictional force. 3. Muscular force. 1. Gravitational force. When we throw something upwards, it will always fall back on the earth. It happens because the earth applies force called gravitational force on the object. It always pulls the object towards the center of the earth. If there were no gravity, we would be floating in the air. 2. Frictional force. Frictional force always opposes the motion of one surface across another surface. To experience this force, two forces have to be in contact. Less friction is provided by smooth surfaces and more friction by rough surfaces. Walking on plain ground provides ample friction as compared to walking on icy surface. This is because ice causes very less friction. So, it is a good thing for ice skating and sledging. Activity 14.1. Aim. To understand the amount of friction applied. Materials required. An empty box, thread, smooth table, sugar. Procedure. Take a box and tie a thread around the box. Move the empty box on the table with the help of a thread. Spread some sugar. Now move the box on the table with the help of thread. Observation. You will face difficulty moving the box on the sugar spread on the table. Conclusion. More frictional force works on the table with sugar as compared to that on the table without sugar. 3. Muscular force. Muscular force is the force applied using parts of the body like arms, legs, etc. For example, when a weightlifter lifts weight, his arms and muscles are used. Even when you lift a pencil to write or when you pedal the bicycle, it requires muscular force. Work. When an object moves in the direction of the applied force, work is said to be done. We do different types of work every day. Opening a can, the lid of a jar, cutting paper, etc. Simple machines. Machines have made our life easy. For example, we can use a needle to stitch a cloth and a knife to cut anything. These simple tools have made our daily work easy. There are several simple machines which we use in our daily life. Let us discuss. Lever. A lever helps us to move something heavy with less effort or to cut things. For example, bottle opener, pliers, scissors, etc. Pulley. A pulley is a machine with a wheel. It has two raised edges so that a rope or a string can run along with the wheel without dropping off. It is used to draw, pull or raise things. For example, a pulley is used to draw a bucket of water from the well. Inclined plane. It is a sloping surface on which we can push an object up or down. For example, loading heavy things onto a truck is done by an inclined plane. Wheel and axle. The wheel and axle allows movement of larger objects over a distance with less force. There are two wheels in the front or the back of the vehicle with a rod between them. The rod is called the axle which works as a connector. The wheels and axle moves simultaneously. Wedge. Wedge is a triangular-shaped tool. It has a slanting surface and a sharp edge in front and blunt at the back. It is used to separate two objects. For example, an axe is used to cut wood. Screw. It is a cylindrical-shaped tool with a sharp edge and a blunt circular top. It is an inclined plane with a raised line around a straight rod. It is used to join or attach things. It is used in furniture and doors to fix them. Energy and its sources. To perform any work, we need energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. Energy has various forms such as electrical, heat, mechanical, sound, light, atomic and chemical energy. It can be converted from one form to another. We get energy from food, but machines use energy from fuel such as petrol, diesel, etc. The natural sources of energy are solar energy. The energy which we get from the sun is called solar energy. Sun is the ultimate source of energy. Solar heaters and solar cookers are devices which we use with the help of solar energy. Green plants use solar energy to prepare the food that we eat. Wind energy. The energy we get from moving air is called wind energy. To generate electricity and to draw underground water, we use windmills. Water energy. We get electrical energy from water. Dams are built to store water from rivers. Water is then allowed to fall with a huge force from a height on turbines. These turbines rotate and generate electricity. Earth. The energy we get from hot springs emerging from the earth is called geothermal energy. Renewable sources of energy. Some energy sources that are not depleted by use are called renewable energy. Sun, wind and water are examples of renewable energy sources. Non-renewable sources of energy. This kind of energy cannot be renewed easily and will get exhausted one day due to repeated use. Coal, petrol, wood are examples of such energy sources. Let's revise. Force means pull or push. When we throw something upwards, it always falls back to the earth. Frictional force always opposes the motion of one surface across another surface. Muscular force is the force applied using parts of the body like arms, legs, etc. When an object moves by applying force, it is called work. When an object does not move by applying force, then no work is done. Machines have made our life easier. To perform any work, we need energy.